Simula nung bata ako, ang isa lang na may pangarap ko, gusto ko lang yumaman.
I was going to apply for a master's degree in pharmaceutical chemistry.
Nung bata ako, gusto ko maging doktor. Kasi yung daddy ko may sakit nun sa puso. Tapos yung mama ko naman, sinasabi niya na, why don't you try being a teacher? And ako parang inisip ko, teacher, bakit? Ayoko.
2 months before graduation, I decided to take the leap, committing 2 years of my life. Helping other people reach their potential might be a very good idea. So that's why I decided to become a public school teacher.
A day in my classroom is super tough. I'm not gonna sugarcoat, it's really tough. Little by little, they realize that education is a must and that they need to go to school to get to places.
Nakikita ko na yung ginagawa ko ay nagkakaroon ng silbi sapagkat na-appreciate nila yung pagiging ako at na-appreciate ko yung pagiging sila.
Gusto ko maturuan ko sila kung paano mangarap. Gusto ko taasan nila ang pangarap nila. Naniniwala ako na kaya nila.
I want my students, more than math, more than CPK, I want them to know what is right and what is wrong, and I want them to do what is right.
Nakita ko talaga na yung mga estudyante mismo ang magtutulak sa atin na maging pinakamagaling na sarili natin para sa kanila.